Hey guys, I'm here now. I just want to show you how I'm using these different levels to get to certain different heights every day. Now I've only got a $200 machine, so I can't go 12 inches, I can only go 6 inches. But as you can see, these levels here. The other day the sand went straight down here, so you know we've lost a foot one night and another foot another night, and all these levels here that drop down keep on letting me get hits big time. So now I'm going to pull, I'm doing the Bounty Hunter TX4. I've got a plastic bag over it just to stop a little bit of the salt, but I've tried to mark out some of these hits for you now just so I can show you. And I've got the high tide coming up on me now, so I'm losing my circles. Alright. Alright, a little bit faint, but it's there. That'll be a 6-inch one. Another one there. And another one there. Now, I had one out here. I know the water's gone across it, I think. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I've marked out 3 for you. So there's one there, and one there. There's one up there. Can't remember, but let's start off here. Right, live dig 101. There it is down there. Little bit of tin. That's a shame. Oh well, one piece of junk. Keep going. We've still got 3 more holes to choose, so I'll get down to the next one. See, when you take it off the ground, put it right up flush against the ground, and then as you bring it up, this dig's about 6 to 8 inches. I'm getting to about there and the sound disappears. So you'd presume there she's about 4 inches, 5 inches underground. So you don't really need a depth gauge to tell you how deep it is. Alright, that's the first one. That's about 4 inches. It's about 6 inches. There it is down there. 5 cents. 5 cents around that. Alright. Right, this is the next one. Water coming up here. Trying to hold the phone. Scoop. Oh, there we go. It's bound to happen again. An old nail. They're the square nails. Square nails. When was the last time you saw a square nail? They're pretty old. Okay. So it was out of this section here. 2 coins, 2 nails. Now I'm pretty sure there was another hit somewhere here, but you can see how I'm using all these levels to get to different heights every day. So 2 days ago when I came here, I didn't get any hits. Yesterday I came here and we'd lost it up to that first level there, so that was all flat across there. I found probably about 50 coins all yesterday along these edges here, and then this morning again from 10 o'clock last night, this